Well, that's the sound of someone having success with their business. Hi there. I'm waiting for the UPS driver to come in and pick up these boxes to be shipped away to our members in our community, but just wanted to shoot a quick video as to what's going on here. The sound you just heard from the gong is the sound of success, the sound of someone making real money from their business, sound of a real thing, not a hype or not a theory or not a textbook kind of stuff or not a multi-level marketing or e-commerce stuff. That's the sound of someone who's building their own business from home. And these boxes that you're seeing, no, I'm not in an e-commerce business. These are actual awards that we pack every single month and send out to our members in our community who are having massive success. Like what you're looking at here, someone making over $500,000 in their business, and this is from 2020 and we're in 2021. And these are all the people who are having similar success going through a business training program on how to become a business loan broker and worker from home, be able to build it part-time or full-time and be a part of a recession-proof industry. Listen, anyone can talk about a great plan or great training or a course or anything like that, but not everyone can show proof of that idea working every single day. In this channel, you see hundreds of success stories of our students, and actually the bulk of our channel is not about me just talking about a concept or teaching you something. It is mostly about sharing the success of our students. And many other people just want to create content over and over and over again and beat that horse because they don't have anything to share, anything to show, right? So that's like the main difference I wanted to show you today. If you're following me for a while, you know that we help people become business loan brokers. What that means is these people are offering the sexiest product on earth to their customers, which is money. They're helping small businesses in the United States and Canada get access to capital, loans, money to grow, to thrive, to survive, even through what we're going through right now, right? It's really, really important because when you're trying to decide what business to start, number one thing you need to know is how much of a demand there is in that business. Number two is what kind of support you're going to get. Like that's really important. Otherwise, yeah, anyone can build a business through trial and error. That's why the success rate on a new business is less than 5%, right? Because most people will not know how to take the business off the ground and grow it to 5, 6, and 7 figures. What you'll find out is we have a free training. You'll see the link below that or on a button on the screen that we show you how this business model works through a system called Blueprint. What it involves is it gives you everything you need from your website to all the technical information that you need. It provides you the coaching and the guidance. We assign you someone who can coach you through the process. It allows you to work with the actual lenders one-on-one so you make the most amount of money. Or if you want to work with mentors who've been doing this business for years and have them do the heavy lifting while you take advantage of the commissions. So these are a lot of the options, and there are many more of them in the program. So I suggest that you check it out if you're truly interested in building your own business, because in this day and age, I think we have the hard proof slapped us all in the face that your job might be gone in a matter of months. It has happened to so many people. The business that you are trusting in and that is going to come and save you in hard times, it hasn't done that. Major industries got shut down. So for that reason, I highly suggest that you check this out. You check out our channel, you see the proof on our website on how these people are reaching massive success, while most of them do not even have the experience in this industry, because we put an end to this trial and error mess and talking really high but not being able to show any results like this. This is like what we send every single month out to our successful students. We're building 6 and even 7-figure businesses. And again, if you're truly entrepreneurial, if you really want to put an end to your 9 to 5 or a failing business, or if you're really not where you want to be, I suggest that you check this out. If you like to do that, there's a button below. Click on it. It's going to ask you to enter your name and email, and I have a full presentation that breaks down the entire business and how you can be a part of that if you choose to. See you on the other side.